You wake up at 5 a.m., go through your morning routine, and feel prepared for the day ahead. Just as you're about to jump into an online match with your friends, your mom calls, requesting you to head to the supermarket for some bread, milk, and jam. Even though you're not thrilled about it, you know you must go. Once you arrive at the supermarket, you grab everything she asked for, and it's time to check out. As you place your items on the counter, the cashier looks at you, and you suddenly feel anxious, struggling to make eye contact. You might not realize it, but others notice this and they'll quietly label you. There's a popular saying, "The eyes are the windows to the soul." No matter what your belief system is, this statement remains valid, as eye contact can reveal so much about a person without the need for words. If you often feel anxious when making eye contact, whether it's at the airport, supermarket, or during a presentation, this video will explore several key points. The effects of consistently avoiding eye contact, how eye contact can relieve social anxiety, and the transformative changes that can occur when you begin to engage in eye contact with others. So, what happens when you tend to steer clear of eye contact? Picture yourself strolling down a street or returning home from school, and as you walk, you notice people approaching from the opposite direction. As they near you and perhaps glance in your direction, you might instinctively look down or feel a wave of anxiety, leading to awkward movements with your eyes that leave you feeling foolish. This often happens when we encounter someone we perceive as having higher status or greater attractiveness, as these individuals seem unfazed by making eye contact. By avoiding eye contact, you unintentionally convey a sense of insecurity, implying that you might possess a lower status or lack charisma. This behavior is not limited to casual interactions. In a one-on-one conversation, consistently looking away can convey unintended messages. People generally concentrate on what they find important, and avoiding eye contact may indicate that the person you are speaking with carries minimal importance to you. So, how can making eye contact help ease social anxiety and allow you to break the cycle of missed opportunities to connect? Research shows that people typically make only 30 to 60% eye contact, while 60 to 70% is necessary to establish any meaningful connection. Imagine you're delivering a presentation. Standing in front of an audience can naturally induce anxiety. You may find yourself scanning the crowd, worrying about what they think of you or your content. However, this tendency may actually intensify your discomfort. Instead, here's a more effective approach. During your presentation, select one person to focus on for each point you make. This technique mirrors what you might have noticed in experienced speakers, picking a specific individual to engage with as they explain each idea. You don't need to make eye contact with everyone at once. And remember, if you're overly concerned about others' opinions, keep this in mind. Nobody is perfect, not even that popular girl. So, stand tall and give it your best shot. But what if you are very scared of making eye contact? Before we proceed, if you're finding this video helpful, please share it with someone who struggles with eye contact. It might give them the encouragement they need to finally connect confidently. Let's consider the scenario of strolling down a street while encountering people walking towards you. You don't necessarily need to make eye contact. The key is to resist the urge to look down. Instead, keep your gaze upward. Focus on what lies ahead or find something else intriguing to observe. If you wish, you can offer them a gentle nod or a soft glance and then continue on with your day. If you manage to achieve all of this, here's how your life may transform. People will have increased confidence in you. You will cultivate more authentic relationships. People will feel at ease in your presence, leading to increased trust. When it comes to eye contact, it's essential to understand the 7 types of stares. This knowledge will help you make informed choices and avoid any awkward moments with others. Be sure to watch this video next.